to another episode of Cooking with the Reaper, your heavy metal chef. Got an exciting recipe coming at you tonight, folks. You're going to love it. Be right back. Hey guys, welcome back. Hey, we're going to do, we got best of both worlds going on. We're going to do a Mediterranean stuffed zucchini. Oh, bad cut job there, guys. We're just going to have it like this. This is going to go on the grill. Going to olive oil it up. Flavor, guys, flavor. This is extra virgin olive oil. Throw a little garlic on the backside. Well, actually pepper. And there's the garlic. It's amazing. All right. We're going to flip it over. A little olive oil on this side. We're putting our olive oil on. We want this to get some flavor. All right. Olive oil is going to give it some nice flavor, along with the pepper and the garlic. Then we're going to grill it. Then we're going to hollow it out. After we hollow it out, we're going to fill it with a Mediterranean filling. A little pepper. We're not going to discard the filling, you know, the centers that we take out, but we're going to keep it, put it in with the filling. All right, so there's that. It's ready for the grill. All right, and then we're going to come over here. We are going to do some chicken bacon ranch grilled chicken breast, guys. I'm cutting the breasts in half because cut the breasts in half, they cook more even. Not the best halving in the world, but it'll do the job. We're going to go ahead and transfer these into the pan. We're going to go ahead and season these up with none other olive oil. It's going to help our seasoning stick. Notice I did the zucchini first. That way I wasn't hitting it with raw chicken. And we're gonna just a little salt because bacon's salty. We'll be wrapping it with bacon. A little pepper. And a little garlic. There's that side. We're going to hit it with our ranch. We're going to sort of pat it in. We're going to flip them over. We're going to hit the other side. Olive oil. Good to be back with you guys. Been crazy. Got a mirror here. That side. Well, let's do the garlic first. Pepper. We're not drowning it in heat, even though I like heat. Just a little dab of salt. There's probably multiple ways you can do this, guys. But you know what? This is going to be flavored. No matter how you do it. Ranch, right? Everyone likes chicken wing ranch. Well, at least I'm hoping. I'm going to sneak around here, grab my scissors. Wash my hands off here real quick. Seems like we're always rushing, always in a rush. Alright. Got some hickory smoked bacon. You go ahead and just wrap it right around. Now we're going to take 2 pieces per breast. Well, till we get to the smaller ones. Go ahead and stretch it, guys. I'm not going to put toothpicks in it because you don't really need toothpicks to hold it on, because it shrinks when you cook it. Do one of these little babies. Right. Whoops. Better grab more bacon. And guys, don't forget, subscribe, like, share. We wouldn't be here if it wasn't for you folks. You guys are awesome. Thanks for all the support so far. This is fun. Flavor. Nice and sunshiny today. We're going to try to take out the motorcycle. We still might get out there. All right. All right. All right, guys. I'm going to wash my hands up. Be right back with you. Welcome back. We're working on our filling for the zucchini. Some garlic, about 3 cloves minced. Got some cilantro we're going to throw in here as well. Well, here, let me do the onions first, guys. Remember, fingers in. Unlike that. See, if you happen to have some vegan folks in the family, this stuffed zucchini is perfect. Chop up some cilantro here. Love cilantro, guys. And we're gonna do just a little lemon juice, minus the seed. All right. You can put as much lemon in there as you like. And we're gonna go ahead and just throw in some cherry tomatoes, guys. Rolling away, folks. All right, but I'm going to go ahead and finish chopping up these tomatoes for this filling, and I'll be right back with you. I went ahead and put in some fresh basil, some habanero powder. Now I'm going to throw in about a 1/4 cup of Tzaziki sauce. It's Greek. We're going to go ahead and stir all this up. And we're going to let these flavors come together while we're cooking our stuff on the grill. All right. Remember, guys, always let it sit a little bit. That way all the flavors can come together and sort of fall in love with each other. You gotta fall in love with each other, or they'll separate. You know what I mean? Well, you know, you get the idea. All right. This is our filling. All right. We're gonna go ahead and cover this up. We're gonna head out to the grill. See you guys in a bit. Yeah, we got our stuff on the grill here. Our zucchini's looking good. We don't want it too soggy, so we don't want to overcook it. We want to keep it crisp. All right. It's feeling pretty good. Got our chicken over here. It's ready to go. I'm going to go ahead and get the chicken off the grill. We're going to give the zucchini just a little bit longer. And we'll see you back inside. We got our zucchini hollowed out. I got the flesh from the zucchini in our mix. Our zucchinis have cooled. Go ahead and get them stuffed. It's good stuff, guys. And it's vegan style. Alright, so here we got these stuffed. I did forget one thing here. But I'm going to grab it right now. We'll go ahead and get these plated. I'll be back with you in a minute. Alright guys. Just sprinkle a little more lemon on there. But there you have it. Chicken bacon ranch. Mediterranean stuffed eggplant or zucchini. Not gonna get any better than that, guys. I'd like to thank you again for being with the Reaper. God bless. We'll see you next time.